Hello, this is Lou from Enormis Mobile Specialties located outside of Erie, Pennsylvania, and today we have a 2018 Nissan Titan, and this particular client wanted a long-range remote start but did not want to add an app to his smartphone. So we took this remote control, it's Ultimate 1 Miles what we call it, and paired it with our factory start version 5 to get him some long range. And what makes this factory start version 5 system nice is that it utilizes a Nissan vehicle specific wire harness that literally plugs into the wiring and modules of this truck. When you approach this door, the door of this truck, as long as you have the Nissan fob on you, the door will automatically unlock. And then what makes this remote start nice is that the engine will stay running after you open the door. On a lot of remote starts, on a push-to-start vehicle, the engine shuts off when you open the door, but not on this truck, not on this remote start system, so that's beautiful. All you have to do is then, once you're in the truck, put your foot in the brake, choose a gear, and drive away. This is Lou. We are located in Northwestern, Pennsylvania. So if you're in Northwest PA or maybe you're in Western New York and you can bring your vehicle to us, we can get a remote start installed. We have no parts to ship anyone. We do need your vehicle out at our shop in order to perform a remote start installation. Thanks for watching.